And now, there are 2 more. I think younger ones. Hi guys, it's me too. This is day 4 in Hamilton. We're in Hamilton right now and we're at Arirang. And Arirang is a Korean restaurant. And I am with my brother and his girlfriend, Magda. She's so pretty. Magda's brother and Enrico, of course.
I'm always like that.
Yeah. Hi, sorry. And so we're gonna order a few Korean dishes. I haven't been to a Korean restaurant in 5 years, and I'm.
Oh wow!
This is the pajong. Pajong is seafood pancake here in Arirang. Pajong, he said pajong. To take this, dip it in the sauce, and you eat it. And it's a soy sauce, sesame, kind of ponzu, kind of vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. It should be. And sometimes there's a red chili paste that you use with it. We have dolsat bibimbap, bulgogi, and this is hodopbap, or it's a seafood salad. There's like salmon inside and rice actually. It's like a bibimbap but with seafood and lettuce. This is beef and rice. That is a bowl which they had egg and all stuff on top and rice underneath, and you mix it up. And this is a jjajangmyeon. The jjajangmyeon here looks good, by the way. Actually, the food looks good. And then when you order Korean food, you always get a lot of these side dishes and vegetables, and I think that is very healthy and good for you to eat the vegetables. And kimchi is very... We're in Hamilton, and these are some lovelocks. That's what I call them. Here, this is really cool. Anyways, I think the train tracks are pretty cool too. And oh, hi! And Hamilton. This is the main street, one of the main streets down there. Yeah. This is the first time I've actually seen a British, like Union Jack. But some of the houses do have Canadian flags in the front, which is of course it's normal because we're in Canada. Oh my God, this is so precious. Hill Street Community Garden. I love this kind of stuff. And it builds community, and you know, it helps people. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's so good to plant.
It is. It says, please look but do not pick. Our allotment gardens are leased and tended by members of our community. They're telling me that Sheeran's Fine Foods has really good truffles and ice cream. So if you're in Hamilton, that place is supposed to be really good. This is a really nice part of the town. I think the nice part of the town.
That place is really nice.
Yeah, they're telling me this place is really cool and really nice, and I just think it's beautiful too. Brown dog.
So I've read about it, a bit about it. I heard that it's like made by Polish gamers, and because okay.
On the sidewalk, you'll find random words, but they form a poem. So you need to keep walking. Yeah, in front of St. Joseph's is the first one. Ooh, my feet. Peripatetic, whatever poem. My feet.
So I think it's my feet glued to the sidewalk. I think that's a nice deal. And then my head, or never separate from my body. And then there's another church. Wandering the way the wind blows. Wondering who imagined this. Do I remember when this was as blank as a sheet of paper? There's another one down there. I've lost track of what was before. Where do I come from? Where am I now? Okay, here we are. Where? A map of my own. Move fast, like horses, around past open fields. Or like from escarpment rock. Two. I think we're gonna end it here because it continues on the other side.
Hello, Lake Ontario. This is near Hamilton. I don't know if it's technically in Hamilton. This is Confederate Beach in Confederate Park. It is safe right now. They check weekly, I think, for E. coli, but it is safe to swim here. But I think it's cold, but let's try. Yeah, it is rocky, typical of the beaches around here. I have my, ooh, it's freezing cold.
Hey, I actually got to skip. Awesome.
It's freezing cold. They're skipping rocks.
Wow, that was
Oh, he did a good job. And there are some Canadian geese. Look at them. So it looks like you're seaside, but you're actually, this is just a very big lake, like all the Great Lakes. But look at the clouds. The clouds are just, I'm gonna zoom out. The clouds are really gorgeous today too. Hi guys! Are you coming to say hi? Ciao! They're actually really close to me. Unfortunately, yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have food. Like anything for them to eat. And now, there are two more. I think younger ones.
I think that I can. Wow, nice.
Were you always doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't seem to get any rhythms. Oh, that was such a waste. So what's that?
You gotta curve it more.
Huh?
You gotta curve it more.
Yeah, no, that was too.
There is this beautiful mountain of stones. When I was a kid, I used to, I know it's hard to walk on the stones. I'm barefoot right now. When I was a kid, I used to collect stones and look at the layers and stuff. And then Ontario, or this region, has a lot of like really interesting stones. Like these red ones. This one's quite porous. There are just a lot of different ones, and even there's like pink ones, and those are pretty pretty. Look at this one. You guys probably think I'm completely nuts, but yeah. So another day in Canada. This one is a particularly beautiful day, I think, and I really want Enrico to enjoy his stay here, and I really hope that you guys out there are getting something out of this. And anyway, if you do like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye! The geese say bye too. There's going to be, it looks like, a powwow or some kind of drum session over there. Okay, do you see that moon? The moon is rising. I think we're gonna get a free concert. I think they're gonna start soon, but I think it's gonna rain. If you look that way, sorry, there is a reddish tint to the clouds, and I feel like it is going to pour. I don't know, it suddenly just seemed to get cloudy. But look at that moon. The music has started.